Welcome back to our channel, The Roaming Investor. Today, we're delving into a complex yet crucial topic, alternative minimum tax, AMT. If you're new to this concept, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this blog, we'll break down what AMT is, its benefits, and how it can help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started. What is alternative minimum tax or AMT? Alternative minimum tax is a parallel tax system in the United States designed to ensure that individuals, corporations, and certain estates with significant deductions and tax credits still pay a minimum amount of tax. It was introduced to prevent high-income taxpayers from exploiting loopholes to significantly reduce or eliminate their tax liabilities. AMT operates alongside the regular income tax system, and taxpayers must calculate their liability under both systems, paying the higher of the two amounts. What are the benefits of AMT? Ensures tax fairness. AMT helps maintain fairness in the tax system by preventing high-income individuals from utilizing various deductions and credits to pay little or no taxes. This ensures that everyone pays their fair share, regardless of their financial circumstances. Broadens the tax base. By including certain income that is often excluded under the regular tax system, AMT expands the tax base. This means that various income sources, such as capital gains and certain deductions, are taken into account, resulting in higher overall tax revenues. Preserves tax revenues. AMT serves as a safeguard against tax avoidance strategies. Without it, some high-income individuals could exploit loopholes to reduce their tax liability significantly, potentially leading to lower tax revenues for the government. Supports important deductions. While AMT limits some deductions, it allows others, such as those for medical expenses and state and local taxes, to remain intact. This can be beneficial for taxpayers who have substantial eligible deductions. How AMT can help you achieve financial goals. Now that we've discussed the benefits of AMT, let's explore how it can be a useful tool in your financial planning arsenal. Strategic tax planning. Understanding AMT can help you make more informed decisions about your income, deductions, and investments. By minimizing your AMT liability, you can reduce your overall tax burden, leaving you with more money to invest and save. Diversify income sources. AMT takes into account various income sources, including capital gains. Diversifying your income through investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets can help you manage your tax liability effectively. Consult with tax professionals. Given the complexity of the tax code and the intricacies of AMT, it's crucial to work with tax professionals. They can help you navigate the tax landscape, identify opportunities for tax savings, and ensure compliance with all tax regulations. Long-term financial planning. AMT considerations should be an integral part of your long-term financial planning. As your financial situation evolves, your tax strategy may need adjustments to align with your goals. Incorporating alternative minimum tax, AMT, into your financial planning can be a game changer in achieving your financial goals. By understanding how AMT works and the benefits it offers, you can make informed decisions that minimize your tax liability, while still contributing your fair share to the tax system. Remember, financial success is about more than just earning money. It's about managing it wisely. Stay tuned to more financial insights for more tips, strategies, and insights to help you on your journey to financial prosperity. See ya!
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to